Good Friday morning, and thank you for tuning in. We do have a stationary front to the south, but this is expected to dissipate, and it already has over the last 3 hours. So really nothing going on across parts of the southeast as we head into Labor Day weekend. Your full weekend forecast will be coming up in just a bit, but looking at your current temperatures, not quite in the 80s just yet. Mid to upper 70s for the coast, right at 70 for Scranton, and still seeing those mid 70s through parts of the PD. But for today, mix of clouds and sunshine, but all in all, making for a very nice day. By lunchtime, the beaches will be at 85 degrees and inland a degree warmer at 86. High temperatures near 90 for inland and 86 for the beaches. Welcome back. We have a mix of sun and clouds as we take a live look over downtown Myrtle Beach. Winds aren't moving too much, and all in all, it's going to be a pretty nice day. Have a little bit of cloud cover here and there, and the humidity is going to be back on the rise. So as we head into Labor Day weekend, you're going to go over that full forecast coming up in just a bit. But just note, not going to be as refreshing as what we had yesterday. And once we get later into the weekend, we're going to see those rain chances increasing once again. Your high temperatures for today will be very, very close to average, maybe a degree or so above for parts of the PD. Looking at mid 80s for the Grand Strand, 89 for Conway, seeing those 90s for Florence and Marion. And the warmest spot's going to be along the border belt, Laurinburg, Lumberton. 91 degrees is your forecasted high for today. And luckily, one thing to note is that we will have the onshore flow, so that will increase your humidity, and rain chances are going to be very isolated in nature, and looks like they're going to be staying out of our viewing area. Isolated rain chances for King Street in Georgetown over the course of the mid-afternoon, but very calm as we head into tonight. And that's going to be good news as high school football is tonight. And once we have kickoff right around 7 o'clock, we're going to be 81 degrees for the beaches and 85 for inland, with mostly sunny skies and mostly clear for tonight as well. Timing out the rest of the weekend, looking great to start Saturday morning. Patchy clouds and looks like some very light showers expected for the immediate coast. Best chance for rain is going to be during the mid-afternoon, as we will be setting up that summertime pattern for both Saturday and Sunday and for Labor Day as well. But best rain chances mid-afternoon, dialing back down as we go into your overnight hours, and a very similar setup for Sunday as well. Very light showers, and looks like less rain is expected for Sunday, but still isolated in nature, and it's really not going to put a damper on the whole weekend. Just keep your eye on the sky. Here's a little flash forward look for Labor Day, which is on Monday. Whether you can believe it or not, beaches high temperature 84 degrees, 87 inland, and still going to have that isolated rain potential as well, primarily during the mid-afternoon. And Tropical Storm Danielle was named yesterday, and it's actually likely to be the first hurricane of the season later today, actually. The pressure is down and the winds are very close, currently 70 miles an hour, and not only will it stop once it gets to Category 1 strength, but now it's forecasted to reach Category 2 status. That's going to be, I know this is a little bit jumbled here, but it's going to be for Monday is when it's going to get those winds of 100 miles an hour. And just note, this is not going to impact literally anyone. It's in the north central Atlantic, ways away. These islands right here are going to be your Azores, so nowhere near that. And the other area to look, high potential for development into a tropical depression, but all the models agree this is going to go sharp turn to the north as it passes near the Lesser Antilles, and then curve kind of following in Danielle's footsteps. Your local trivia question: what town in our viewing area is known for having the annual Egg Scramble Jamboree every April? See the answers, go to our homepage under the quick links. And here's that 7-day forecast. Not looking too bad as we go through the weekend, mid 80s, and that'll carry over for Labor Day as well. Just note that typical summertime pattern with afternoon rain chances, upper 80s for inland and 87 on Labor Day.